Hey, what's up, crew? It's the Hanger Stefan. Why do they call me the Hanger? Because I'm just skinny. I look like a hanger. Clothes look the same if they're on a hanger or if they're on my back. Doesn't matter. Today we're checking out Chance the Rapper's birthday drops, number 3 hats, and we'll be checking out the Nike Sacai VaporWaffles.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up.
Alright, first things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that like button. I'm just putting out more and more content so you guys can be aware of legitimate items, what they look like. You can be part of this, streetwear community, know what's trending, know what's hot right now. I'm basically going after every single drop I think is dope, that's, it's a cool artist or whatnot. And honestly, I don't get everything. I mean, I get a few of the items that I go after, but it makes for a pretty cool collection, so I definitely dig it. I love it. Everything is tradable around, just like, I don't know if this is tradable that much. I might not trade this because I might want to just keep it. This is my first Chance the Rapper cap. They are available on New Era. They're all black, the ones that are on there for 70 bucks. This one was for his birthday, so it's a little bit cheaper at $45. Some tags in here. I also got the beanie from his birthday drop. They have that nice green or teal blue, I guess, more or less. It does come with a receipt. Nothing else. I will show you some close-ups on these little tags here. You want to be aware of these tags if you are getting this item from a reseller or something like that. Want to make sure it's legit, right? So here's this tag on the back of the hat. You have your New Era adjustable on the front. Some nice embroidery there. Really nice raised embroidery on the back for Chance. And that brown and tan. Oh my goodness, so dope. You got New Era on the side there. And the inside just gives you the, the hat's brand. Some tagging, regular old tagging stuff here. And then for the embroidered beanie, we have our wash tag here. And then the graphic, that's the back side of it. Yeah, some black felt on there. And you've got your 3. Here, I'll just fix it. This is how it should be, so it looks more regular. It's nice, stretches really nice. Has quite a bit of give to it. A nice size, honestly. Just, yeah, definitely dope cap. I am wearing my Astro World cap right now because this morning the Astro World Fest 2021 tickets dropped and I was able to cop 2 of them. So I went, got some flights, got a hotel. Really, well, it's a motel, it's an inn. It was really inexpensive. I mean, the tickets themselves for Astro World Festival 2021 were already $300 with an additional $70 added on for fees. So, yeah, I got some flights because driving down there would cost way more because I have to take off 2 additional days for work, maybe 3 or 4, because it might take 2 days to drive down there from where I'm at. And then I gotta account for gas money, gotta account for vehicle use, just putting the miles on those tires, that extra almost 4,000 miles there and back. So I got my motel set up like a mile away from the arena, from Astro Dome, which I'm pretty sure it's going to be I'm pretty sure he chose the NRG Stadium because it had the name Astro Dome as one of the locations there, as one of their arenas. It's huge. Huge spot. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be super lit. I cannot wait. They had these other VIP options available. You get AC bathrooms and special VIP packages. You get a bunch of merch. A lot of people are just gonna be paying resale for that merch. So, I mean, it might be worth it just to buy that special ticket. But now they're all in the resale market because this morning, even general admission tickets just all sold out. Travis said he's gonna try and get some people some tickets, maybe even people who really can't afford it, who've been reaching out to him. He said that on Instagram. So he's trying to make it available so that all of the ragers can make it. I'm just so stoked. Like, seriously, I've been to so many different festivals. Those festivals, yeah, I'm about to be raging a little bit. I'm alright with that. So I don't know if I'll bring this Chance the Rapper hat with me to the festival. I mean, I got this one already, but I am gonna try this one on just so you guys can be aware. I don't like how flat that bill is. I like my bill curved, so I'm gonna un-DS this already right here by curving that bill. I mean, I guess I could flatten it for somebody who really wanted it flat, or they could do it themselves. Just putting it on. Oh yeah, it is a big hat. If you're worried about a hat that's always too small for you, this one might work for you. It's not like crazy extra large or anything like that. It is adjustable, obviously, and I'm almost to the closest one, and I don't have like necessarily a small dome or anything, so but let me know what you think about the cap. My hair is terrible, whatever. I mean, I'm working hard. I just got off early, so I wanted to make this review for you guys. I love my job. Lets me be able to take vacations like Astro World. Lets me be able to buy some of this high stuff. I mean, obviously, I'm trading a lot of my items around so that I can cop a lot of these, you know? But that's just how fashion works, you know? You don't want to keep wearing the same thing over and over. It's fun to have new pieces. Speaking of new pieces, these Vapor Waffles. I did open the box right side up. Yeah! Hey! Sacai! That familiar box. They did the same box as they've pretty much done with all their Nike collabs with this vintage Nike logo. Like half on one side, half on the other. You have the glossy Nike on top. You got your warning information or whatever, copyright info on the bottom. And then for your box, it is a little clasp there and then pulls. There's your label down there with all your info. I don't know if anybody wants to see that, but you know, might be good for you. And then in here you do have this big piece of paper that says Nike Sacai on it. And if you check out my first Sacai video, it's a couple years ago, I'm sure it's, I don't know, maybe it's great quality. Maybe I haven't really been doing that much better lately. I've been working like 65 hours a week for almost a year now. But you can check out that video, you can see this paper, and you can see those other green and orange Sacai. Oh, hey, look at this. All right, so this pair of Vapor Waffles, they did just overload it with foam. Just, yeah, I'm gonna be super tall in these. I don't know if they are taller than like New Balance Vision Racers from Jaden Smith. That video that I did just a couple days ago from this one. Honestly, yeah, dude, these are really close. And it almost looks like maybe the New Balance one should take the gold or whatever, but your foot actually sits a little bit inside there, so I don't know, that the Vapor Waffle might actually be a little bit taller. So people are looking at me like, dude, what happened? Why are you so tall all of a sudden? I'm like, dude, I'm only like an inch taller, half an inch, whatever. But they did come with an extra set of laces. I'm gonna get out the other one here as well. Oh, this little swoosh on the inside, oh my goodness. I mean, the swoosh on the outside, obviously, really dope how they painted over that leather. That gives some really cool vibes and all the different layers with TPU and everything on this pair. And the laces, that double lace, this blue lace is totally nylon, sort of something really tough and stiff. This is the Sesame and Blue Void colorway. This one is for the visionaries, those who recognize the importance of yesterday when building a better tomorrow. Combining the innovative Vaporfly with the classic Pegasus from 1983, the Nike and Sacai VaporWaffle doubles up on the details, merging the past and future of running. A comfortable, secure upper combines with classic waffle outsole for a fit and feel you love with the boundary-pushing look of Sacai. Yeah, man, these are just so clean. So clean, those tans. Everybody needs tans right now with springtime. The outsole itself actually has a bit of a updated waffle pattern, I guess. A little bit different than the past Sacai's that I've seen, but still looks like it's gonna have good traction. Still kind of has that reminiscent feel with all these little nubbies on there, the little tiny dots in the bottom of that, you know? Yeah, these are very clean, very nice. Really glad to have them in the collection. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this pair. I'm gonna throw them on. So yeah, they fit definitely true to size. I don't think you need to size up or down, just regular old sizing. They do look pretty big. They look like monster shoes. I mean, but that kind of, I don't know, the effect of this small, super tiny toe box area. They basically, yeah, no toe box area because the laces go down so low, or, you know, kind of gives that vibe. But it makes it look like your foot is a little bit longer in general, but then they're also really wide. So they got that going for them as well. I'm just pairing them with my Club Paradise pants and just Nike Lab tee. Obviously, you guys just seen the hat. I'm not sure why anybody would want to take out these double laces for those brown ones. I mean, I guess the color, you can be a little bit more subtle, not quite as loud as these ones are, but yeah, to double lace these again, like if you wanted to use these and then go back to the white and blue, double lacing doesn't sound like very much fun. So other things that happened this week, I did get another pair of Dunks in. Just traded these Dunks and I was like, I need a size 11. These are the Dunk Comfort version. I wanted to try an old pair of the Comfort version. These are pretty old. They feel really nice though. I went up half a size 11. For the high tops, definitely a size 11 works a lot better for me. Yeah, these are pretty tore up, but I think they're still pretty dope. I really like them. You guys can tell me what you think of this Dunk pickup. I love trading around, especially local. That's the best option for me, but I live in Montana, so not a whole lot of people around with with streetwear or wanting streetwear, so I definitely still trade around with people here in the United States and whatnot. Just have to deal with shipping costs, but what's new? Before I let you go, I do want to shoot some positivity at you. I have this really cool guy that I follow pretty closely, David Hayward, aka the Naked Pastor, and here's a post from him that he drew. It's a little graph. You have wisdom on the one side, questions on the bottom, and as your wisdom grows, your questions also will grow and skyrocket along with wisdom. That's just how it works in life. As you learn things, as you get smarter about things, it just opens up life to have more questions. There's never going to be a point where you're just going to figure it out. You're going to have all the answers. So many people are waiting until they have all the answers to go and do that amazing thing that they know that they can accomplish. Those dreams, those aspirations that they've been wanting to do their entire life. People wait until everything is lined up, and that's just not how life is. As you learn more, as I learn more through this life, there's just more and more questions. As my collection grows, and I trade one pair for two pairs, or I trade this shirt for that shirt, and which will be trading me in the future for these other three shirts that I was kind of looking at. I mean, as things grow, it just, there's more questions, because you're like, oh no, is this going to gain value over time? Is this just going to totally depreciate and not even be worth it for me to hold or whatever? My life continues to have more and more questions. I'm sure yours will as well, and just be okay with that. Be content that you're not going to ever figure it all out, and life is going to continue to have questions up until you're on to the next. So enjoy this earth while we're here. I mean, you got to take care of yourself. Your mental sanity is definitely important, and then we can move on and help other people as they also have questions and want them answered and all that goodness. So if I haven't told you I love you, hey, I love you, man, girl, bro, they, I mean, it's all good. We're all good. Other thing, oh, I got my Moderna dose 1. We're gonna go for the second dose. I'm just doing it because I want to travel. I'm a travel person, and it seems like I'm gonna have to have it to travel. So since it's free, I better take advantage of it. Hopefully I'll have some more content for you guys here shortly. I just film as items come in, or at least once a week, so you guys can be updated on my life, what's going on. Definitely, if you're watching this long, you better be subscribing. I got posts every day coming out on Instagram also, so you can follow me there. I'm kind of shadow banned on Instagram because I was copying and pasting tags. I shouldn't have done that for whatever, I don't know. I was doing it for a while, a few years back, and kind of screwed up my account, I feel like. But I don't care. As long as I can get the word out here on YouTube, have some of those streetwear, show you guys what's trending. I mean, I'm good. So, yeah. Love y'all. Peace out. Bye.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work, but a snack, one tryna get a pill. Ever since it changed my life, I'ma walk that walk, boy, tryna get it right. Tryna do right now. If it working.